If you are looking for just one icons library that is enough for your whole life and you are a UI or UX designer, this one is for you. These are the most premium quality icons I have seen in my life, and I am not bragging about them. This is basically huge icons. So if you want to purchase a lifetime license of HugeIcons Pro, I am going to share with you or show you my coupon code just for my viewers, which you can get 40% of discount, I think. And why I'm saying that, why this is the best icon library, I'm going to explain in this video. Now let's get started. Okay, so this is HugeIcons library. So I'm looking for, basically I'm going to share with you the actual usage of these icons. So I'm looking for a download, you can say icon, and you can see there are tons of varieties. So here we have stroke. So if I'm looking for just the stroke ones, you can see these are the stroke ones. So if you want to see the solids are over here, duotone, two-tone, bulk, and these are, you can see over here. So right now I'm looking for a stroke, and let's use this one, and I'm going to click on this SVG stroke. So you can see there are a lot of things you can customize, which I really love over here, because sometimes this is actually called line or stroke width. So if you have a stroke width, for example, in some designs you use 1 pixel stroke line, sometimes you use 1.5, sometimes you want to use a thick icon line, so you can select 2. So this is the best customization I have seen on any icon builder or any icon, huge icon libraries or any icon library up till now. So this is my favorite feature for this one. So if I want to have like I am using 1.5. You can also see it shows React Native, web, and other codes you can copy from here. You can also change the color from here. And this is actually, you can copy the SVG stroke or React or JSX or PNG or Flutter or anything. So it has a lot of options for developers and for all the designers, UI designers out there. So right now I have downloaded this one. So now I'm going to use this one into my Figma file. Let's drag it to my Figma file. So my junior designer has used this one in this component. So now I'm going to create a component out of it, and let's use it. And you can see I didn't like this rounded over here. I really love the roundness, the shapes, the elegance of creating these icons. There is a lot of thought behind this, so I really love that. So now I'm going to you can see you can change the stroke width over here too. You can make it 1 or 1.5 or whatever you want to. Let's try to change the size of it. I'm going to use 20 pixels like this. Also, you can see I have used this cross icon, and there are a lot of places where I have used this chevron down icons, also this check marks or ticks over here, you can see. So if you write over here, like let's try to find check, and you will see there are a lot of different checks. You can see this is what I love about this. So you can have tons of options. I have just triggered this one. So if I want to find duotone, you can see I can find them over here too. This is one of the best icon libraries I have seen in my life up till now. And if we go to pricing, there are a lot of online great UX designers or UI designers that have been using this library. I'm seeing a lot of praise from a lot of people around on LinkedIn. The famous UI designers, they're using this. One more thing is, I remembered that once I was designing an app for an AI tool, and I wasn't able to find any AI icon that was, you know, suitable to my needs. And you can see here you have, let's switch to stroke, and here you have tons of AI icons. So if you are designing an AI app, you can see I'm designing this very big dashboard for orders and subscriptions, and I'm using tons of these icons over here, like these check marks, and you can see these over here, they look really well. Video visit complete, tracking missing, payment failed, needs verification, refunded, reverted. So all these you can see approved. They are looking minimal, very elegant with nice rounded corners. And what I can say about them more, you can see the details, you can see the roundness, you can see the balance in these icons. This is out of this world. The balance, the elegance, I really salute whoever has designed and worked on this icon library. This is a must have for anyone who is working with icons or UI designs or user experience design. Very big green signal from my side. I will share the coupon codes in the description of my video and also below over here, so you can use that and get the discount. The premium version is one seat $99, and you can get 40% discount on this one. And these are 40,000 plus icons. Okay, so I think this is enough for you, and this is absolutely growing day by day. So these are a lot of great icons over here. If you divide the cost to 12 months, I think it is hardly like $5 or $6 a month. And if I click on icons, you can see there are tons of icons, like tons of icons. So let me try to get delete. Let's see how many we have for delete. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15 icons for just the deleting. You can see there are other options, and I think you can also request your icons on Discord. So you can see request on Discord. So you can join Discord. If you have an icon in mind you want to use, you can request it on Discord and it will be added to the library. So this is my 2 cents about HugeIcons library. I really love and I really appreciate that you should be using this library. It also has free icons. So if I go to pricing, you can see they have like 4,000 plus free icons. You can click on free and sign up over here and start using HugeIcons Pro right now. So this is the end. I am going to share the coupon code in the description below and also on the screen. I hope to see you soon in another video. Till then, start using HugeIcons Pro. Sign up now and I will see you soon. Bye bye and take care.